Forget about. Okay.
Subnetting, we learned that subnetting is breaking down
Hmm.
a network like this 10.0.0.0. If you say 10.0.0.0,
Hmm.
then without any mask, then it means /8.
Yes.
/8 is nothing but 255.0.0.0. Now,
Hmm.
this means it's only 10 network. It is only 10 network. But in our company, we got, let's say, 7 departments.
Hmm.
In 7 departments, I cannot have one network. I
Hmm.
need
Hmm.
7 network.
Yeah.
Why? So that each department can have a separate broadcast address.
Hmm.
Meaning, if I want to send some message to one particular department,
Hmm.
it will be easy if I have each department dedicated a
Hmm.
separate broadcast address.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
Now, for this, the broadcast address is 10.255.255.255. This address is the broadcast of this one.
Hmm. Yes.
Now, if I send any message to this address, it will go to everyone in the 7 department,
Hmm. Yes.
which we may not like. We want
Hmm.
to send to precisely to one particular department. Let's say, we got 7 departments. Let me draw that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Hmm. Hmm.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 departments.
Okay.
For each department, I need a dedicated network,
Hmm. Hmm.
dedicated gateway, dedicated broadcast address.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes.
For that, what is needed? Subnetting. Why? Because the company says you should not use any other network other than
10. Hmm.
10. So I want 10 in the first octet. At the same time, I want different network. See, if they don't say I want 10, then for different network, I'll say this department 10.0.0, this department 11.0.0, this department 12.0. I can do this.
Hmm. Hmm.
But for two reasons, I cannot do this. One is company says you should use only 10.
Hmm.
Secondly, this 11 and 12 are public IP address. I cannot use it without buying it. You remember we learned private addresses range. There are 3 ranges of private addresses. What are
Hmm.
they? 10.0.0.0,
Hmm.
172.16.0.0,
Yeah.
192.168.0.0.
Hmm.
Here
Hmm.
this is still 10.255. This is one private range, another private
Hmm.
range
16. Hmm. 181.
255, and this is 192.168.255.255. So we got only these 3 range that can be used free of cost within an organization.
Hmm.
And in that, your company says you need to use only 10.
Hmm.
No 172, no 192. Then how can I have 7 departments, 7 network with just 10?
Hmm.
We can make use of the host bits.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
We can we can take some host bit and
Yeah.
on it as a network bit, use it as a network bit.
Hmm.
By doing so, we can have new subnets.
Yes.
Right. Now, if you are going to increase the network, meaning if you are going to do subnetting, We need to borrow from, we need to take some bit from this direction. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do this. You see, you cannot
Yeah.
borrow from here for networking. You should borrow from here. You can, if you want 1 bit only, just take 1 bit. If you want 2 bit, take 2 bit. 3 bit, 4 bit, 5 bit. This is how you can grow. You can grow. You cannot borrow it from the end. You should borrow from the left, not from
Yeah.
the right. All right. Now we need to borrow. For 7 departments, how many bits should I borrow? If I borrow 1 bit, will that be enough? 2 bit, will that be enough? 3 bit, will that be enough? Or should I borrow 7 bit for 7 department? What should I borrow? How many bits I should borrow? For that, there's a small calculation.
Okay.
With that, you will know how many bits. This is how we calculate. 2 to the power. The reason why I put 2 is because it is binary. 2 to the power of n. This n stands for the number of bits that you are planning to borrow
Correct.
minus 1. This should give you this answer.
Yes.
Yeah. So if I want 7, what should be the n value? When I say 2 to the power of 3 minus 1, I'll get 7.
Yes.
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 8. Minus 1 is 7.
Yes.
So I learned that I need only 3 bits. With this 3 bit, can I have 7 subnets? Yes. How? Well, let us see that. Before that, I want you to copy this. Copy this, please.
Which one?
Whatever you see in the board, if you want.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
1 second.
The reason is, when I keep adding, you will get confused. So when you write once, you will not have the confusion.
Yeah, I copied. Yes.
Minus 1 is the best way to find out how many bits we need for subnetting, and we found that we need 3 bits. Now, how do you do subnetting? You see, with this 3 bit, I'll write down here the 3 bit, draw here 1, 2, 3. These 3 bits, all 3 can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Isn't it?
Yes.
Is there any other combination? No.
No, only this combination.
Only
Yes.
this one is the maximum. The reason why you put minus 1 here is you should not use this. Then how many combinations are there?
We have 7 combinations.
7 combinations.
Yeah.
For each subnet, you're going to use 1 combination. For example, if I use this one, it's 10, 0, 0, 0. Means in the second octet, all the bits are 0.
Yeah.
Which is going to be 0. Second one is 10, 0, 0, 0, 1 here. What is the value here?
82. Got it.
32, 0, 0. Next combination is what? 0, 1, 0. Isn't it?
Yes.
What is the value here?
That will be 64.
Yeah. So next subnet is 10.64.0.0. And the next
Yes.
combination is this, which is 1, 1. What will be the value now?
96.
Exactly. 64 plus 32 is 96.
Mm-hmm.
And then this, you put 1 here.
100.
What is the value of this place?
128, right? 128. Yes.
10.128.0.0.
Yes.
Next, 101.
101.
10.
That will be
128 plus
128 plus
32.
30. Mm. That will
10.160.0.0.
60. Yes.
Next,
1
10.1100, which is 128 plus
64.
64, which will be
192.
192. 192.0.0. Now, I
Mm-hmm.
want you to write this one also, which is 10
Okay.
dot. If it is all 1, you'll get 224.00. And you put
Mm-hmm.
like this, we don't use this.
Correct. Correct.
And how do you get 224? By adding 128 plus
32 plus
64 plus
64.
32. Fine. Now please understand. How many bits you borrowed for networking? 3 bits.
3 bits. Yes.
How many bits were there already for networking?
Uh, First 8 bits.
8. Now 8 plus 3 is what?
11 bits.
So you must write /11. If you don't
Slash.
write this, then they don't consider the second octet.
Mm-hmm.
They will
Okay.
think, this is 10 network.
Mm-hmm.
Subnet mask is very important. See,
Yeah.
when I have 10.32.0.1, if I don't write subnet mask, what they will think? They'll think only this as the network.
Mm-hmm.
10.64.0.1, what they will think?
Mm.
They'll think both are same network.
Yes.
Why? Because the mask is not specified.
Or specified. Yes.
But when you write 255, 120, sorry, 255, 224.0.0. What is 224? Because the 3 bits. See, how did you
Yeah.
get 255? By adding all 8 bits.
Yes.
Because all 8 bits you gave for network. Now you have given only 3 bit for network. You need to add only 3 bit.
Mm.
For masking, you need to add only 3 bit.
3 bits.
So 255.224.0.0 and
So,
10.64.0.1,
sir, the
255.
224, how we calculated? 255
Listen,
minus.
no, 251 minus and all. Please understand.
Okay.
Why did you put 255 here?
Because all 8 bits we have taken.
All 8 bits is given for network by default.
Yes.
Now, how
Yes.
many more bits you gave in the second octet?
3 more bits.
3 more bits from which place? Did you give from this place or this place?
From left
From the
side. Yeah.
higher order. Add all these 3.
Uh, yeah, that is 250.
Huh?
Sorry, 224. Yeah.
Yes. You see, whatever the bits that you gave for network, you need to add.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Right. So after you write this mask, this is different network. This is different network. If you
Mm-hmm.
don't write the mask, your computer will think both are same network.
Yeah.
This mask can also be written like what? 11.
Yeah.
Both are same. Writing like this is equal to this.
Correct.
But
Mm-hmm.
when you configure on a router, if you type like this, it won't accept. You need to type like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, copy down now, please.
Yeah. But in sometimes like routers, we can specify the net mask
Not
also, right?
all the routers, high-end routers.
Mm. Okay.
Not all the routers, only high-end routers will allow you that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done with copy.
You copied up to here.
Yeah.
Now we are not done with this. We have much more to do. You see, I'll bring this one down here. Okay. Now for 7 departments, I got 7 network. This is for first department, second department, third department, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh.
Yeah.
Now, if this is the network, what will be the first IP address, broadcast IP address, and last IP address? Try.
Yeah.
Give an answer.
Yeah.
What is the first IP address?
1 second. First IP address will be 10.0.0.1.
Very correct. 10.0.0.1. Now, what will be the broadcast IP?
10.255.
That is where we are making wrong. See, we have subnetted. You will not get 255.
Yes, yes.
We have given 3 bits already. So easy
Yeah.
way is see the next network. If the next network is 32, then here the last will be 31.255.25. This is the broadcast address of the first department. If someone wants to send a packet to everyone in the first department, he will use this address and send. It won't go to other department. And what is the last IP?
10.31.255.254.
Now, I want you to fill the blanks, no, all other blanks for all other departments. And you know why I wrote this one? Even though we are not using, why did I ask you to write? So that when you write the broadcast of this, you will not make mistake. 10.223. So you know 223 because you are referring here, and one is 255.25. Okay, fill the balance, and then let me know. I'm going to give you an exercise similar to this. I appreciate. Well done. So let us do another exercise. 172. 0.0.0. This is a network, and it's the same 7 departments. You need to do subnetting now.
Okay.
Take your time, finish, and let me know. Do everything that you did for the previous one. Every step. Don't miss anything. Every step, right from starting to find this with the formula, how many bits I need, starting from here. Remember? Start doing from there. Question is not 10, it is 172.0.0.0. Start. Do it. I'll do it. You correct it, okay? So 172.0.123 bits you borrowed.
Yes.
And then because you borrowed 3 bits, 172.0.0, 172.0.32.0, 172.0.64.0, 172.0.96.0, 172.0.128.0, 172.0.160.0, 172.0.192.0, and it is going to be 16 plus 3 is 19 slash 19.
All are slash 19.
Now you can also write the subnet mask like this 255. This is called new subnet mask. What is the new subnet mask? The default subnet mask is 255.0.0.255.0.0. Now new subnet mask is 255.224.0. So you know how to fill these gaps. 172.0.0.1 and the broadcast is 172.0.31.255 and the last IP will be 172.0.31.254 and you know how to fill the rest. So now let us go to the next one. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
192.168.0.0 and the number of departments are 3 departments.
3 departments, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yourself. Okay. So 3 departments. If that is the case, then you would have taken 2 bits from this object. So 192.168.0.0, 192.168.0.64, 192.168.0.128, and then 192.168.0.192 we don't use. And now you got the 3 departments. The subnet mask, because you borrowed 2 bits, it will be 255.255.255, which is default, and 192. This is the subnet mask. So subnet mask can end with a number. It doesn't need to be 0 always. And then the first IP is 192.168.0.1. And the broadcast is 192.168.0.63. So again, the broadcast also need not to end with 0. Not necessary.
Yeah.
The last IP will be 192.168.0.62. So you got the first, you got the last, you got the broadcast, and you know how to fill the remaining.
Yes.
Nice. Now, any question on this?
Yeah, this looks good, sir.
I'm going to give you. Okay.
Yes. And in the last thing we told, no, like it won't be using the dot 192.
Because those 2 bits are given for network, no? How did you get 192? 128 plus 64. You have already given for network.
Yes.
You cannot use them.
Yes.
All right. Now, let me give you some homework. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. 10.0.0.0. We need 5 subnets. 5 department, 5 subnet, everything is same, no? 172.16.0.0. We want 3 subnets. 192.168.0.0, 192.168.10.0, 10. 7 departments or 7 subnets. That's all. You must write the new subnet mask, and everything that we have done now, you need to do it for this 3.
Yes.
Hope it will be easy for you. See you in the next class.
Yes.